Hi, my name is Gina. My register number is UR15CS120. My main aim of the program is to display the result for two students. That is name, register number, Mark 1, Mark 2, Math 1, Math 2, language, science, sports. And the main theme is to check whether the student has passed or failed. And now I have declared a class student, and I have declared a scanner class here, and in that string name, in register number, math 1, math 2, language, science, sports, it's been declared here, has been assigned here. And the first is I'm creating a student function, that is enter the name of the student. I'm going to get the input from the user, and now I've done the register number of the student 1, and I'm getting the input from the user. Math 1, I'm going to get the input from the user. Math 2, I'm getting the input from the user. Language, I'm getting the input from the user. Science mark, I'm going to get the input from the user. And int line, that statement is being as imported from the user. And here next line is used for string, and next is used for marks. And now I'm going to go to the student 2. That is in student 2, the same procedure is being performed here, and enter the name of the student, that is line. The user invokes, and this the register number is being invoked by the user. The same will go for max 1, max 2, language, science, sports is being imported from the user. And here I've declared a display function, display 1, for the student 1. In student 1, the print ln, that is for student 1, the name of the student 1, register number of the student 1, math 1 of the student 1, marks, and math 2 marks of the student 1, language marks of the student 1, sports mark of the student 1. And here marks is an integer variable. Math 1, math 2, language, science, and sports are integer variable, that is numbers. And session or other petroleum, that is marks for the student 1. The final mark is printed here, and if the mark is greater than 50, then student the name of the student will be assigned here, and he has passed, he or her has passed. The same else the student, if he is not passed, then he has been failed. He will be lesser than 50. And for display 2, the same is be performed here. Student 2, name of the student 2, register number of the student 2, math 1 of the student 2, math 2 mark of the student 2, language marks of student 2, sports marks of student 2. Mark 1 is integer, math 1, math 2, language, science, and sports totally add it, and you'll get the result. And here mark for the student 2 is been assigned here. If the mark is greater than 50, then the student has passed, or else the student has been failed. And now I'm going to move to the main function. I've created here class main, and here static void main. This is the main function. And here I've declared a scanner class, and I'm initializing an integer variable ch. That is now I'm created an object student stu, new student. Stu is the object to invoke the function, each of the function that we have performed. And do while loop is being assigned here. In here, this is the final print, that is student 1 or student 2. You have to enter the choice whether we want student 1 or student 2. And I've used the switch statement, that is case 1, case 2. That is in student 1, I'm going to invoke the function by using the object, and stu display 1 is being included. In case 2, stu function is being invoked, and display 2 function is being invoked. And break statement is break is used to terminate each of the statement, each of the cases. And while ch is greater than or equal to 1 and ch less than or equal to 2. Now I'm going to execute the program. Here I'm going to enter the choice 1, that is student 1. I'm going to give the name, and here I'm going to give register number 6, and max 1 mark, max 2 mark, and science mark, sports mark, and the Gina student has been passed. And now I'm going to enter the second choice, that is student 2, and here I'm going to enter the register number of the student, that is 34, and I'm going to enter the marks of the student, that is 1, 2 for language, 2 for science, and 3 for sports. I'm going to enter again for the student, that is choice 2. Register number is 118. That is marks 1 I'm giving as 1, marks 2 as 2, and language as 1, and science as 1, and sports as 1. The student is passed. Now I'm going to do again. Student 1. I'm going to name the student Jan. I'm going to give the register number for that. I'm going to display the mark 1. Student Yuna has failed because he has got lesser than 50.